unsealed case file. Venus. Venus has confounded scientists for centuries. Apart from the moon, it is the brightest object in the night sky. But its atmosphere is shrouded in dense cloud, obscuring everything on the surface below. Generations of astronomers imagined what lay beneath those clouds, envisioning massive, gleaming cities populated by a race of ethereal beings. The reality, however, would turn out to be much different than anyone ever imagined. Between 1967 and 1985, the Soviet Union lands a series of probes on the planet's surface in a program called Venera. They discover a true-to-life vision of hell, a desolate landscape littered with volcanoes, and an upper atmosphere that generates endless rainfall of sulfuric acid. A crushing atmospheric pressure more than 90 times that of Earth ensures that none of the probes survive more than a few hours on the surface. But more recent studies suggest that Venus wasn't always like this. Billions of years ago, Venus was not unlike Earth, complete with large bodies of water. But long ago, the planet fell victim to a runaway greenhouse effect, not unlike that plaguing our world today, leaving Venus the desolate pressure cooker it is today. Legend, however, tells a different story. According to Greek and Roman mythology, the goddess Venus launched a sudden attack on Mars, the god of war, mortally wounding him in a battle of unprecedented scale.
Ancient Roman records talk about eyewitnesses seeing a fire in the sky, which they later found to be the planet Mars. That planet Mars then became associated with their deity, Ares, the god of war.
According to controversial author Immanuel Velikovsky, ancient observers describe a giant serpent-like dust plume extending off Mars. Is it possible that these legends have a basis in reality? Did ancient astronomers pay witness to a distant interplanetary war? And while the myth says Mars alone was defeated, did Venus also suffer a mortal blow in the course of battle? One whose devastating effect played out quietly over a much longer period of time. In 1989, NASA launches the Magellan probe to map the Venusian landscape. Over the past 2 decades, UFO experts have discovered compelling evidence of structures on the planet's surface. Are these the ruins of ancient Venus? Was this planet once home to a race of aliens who launched an interplanetary war against Mars? And if it was, what happened to their civilization? Coming up, we reveal the final shocking possibility that the civilization that devastated our solar system may be coming for us. This is Unsealed, Alien Files, exposing the biggest secret on planet Earth.